Hi, my name is Richard, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about ProDentim before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ProDentim is be careful with the website you will buy ProDentim from, because ProDentim is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is ProDentim and does it really work? And the answer is yes. In order to support the health of your teeth and gums, you need to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria and provide a healthy environment for the strains to grow in. ProDentim is a doctor-formulated mix that gathers 5 scientifically proven, potent strains, combining a total of 3.5 billion good bacteria into one revolutionary dissolvable candy. This probiotic candy also targets your respiratory system, supporting your body to stay free from allergies, while also promoting restful sleep and good digestion. ProDentim is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. All 100% natural and unique ingredients that are clinically proven to support teeth and mouth health, which is why ProDentim is a powerful supplement for your health. So yes, you can trust this product. There is something really important about ProDentim that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test ProDentim for 60 days, and if you don't see the results, if you don't like it, you will get your money back. In addition, for ProDentim to work, you need to take the treatment seriously and chew one tablet every morning to support the health of your entire body, gums, and teeth. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 2 months using ProDentim. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you will buy ProDentim from. And also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results depend on you getting the right treatment every day. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that ProDentim really helps a lot to improve your life and you get the best benefits that this product promotes.